Infinix Hot 50 Pro has a mic not working, speaker no sound, or ringer problem, this video is for you. We will guide you step by step on how to fix mic, speaker, and ringer issues using tested jumper ways and hardware checking methods. Whether it's a mic line problem, speaker ways, or ringer connection issue, this complete guide covers everything. Follow the video carefully to repair your phone easily at home or in your shop. Mic Solution Speaker Problem Fix Ringer Jumper Ways. Subscribe now for daily mobile repairing tips and tested solutions. CE message.